If you love learning to play calm, relaxing piano music, you're in the right place. Welcome to a moment of piano. Let's sight read. Today we're playing in F major and we have a short excerpt by the classical composer Haydn. The music is around a late beginner level, but if you play the piano and you'd like to grow your confidence in learning sheet music you haven't seen before, this is for you. You can follow along on screen, or to download the free piano sheet music, please head to the link below. First we'll look at the rhythm, then the notes, and then coordinating the hands. There's of course much more we could talk about, but in this series we're just focused on making accurate sense of the notes and rhythms, so that from there you can make the music your own. Okay, let's notice the time signature. 3/4 with 3 crotchets or quarter notes in every bar. Have a look for the different note lengths we'll be playing. Have a look through the right-hand music for any patterns in the rhythm. It's quite varied, but line 3 has 6 quavers or eighth notes in each bar, and bars 5 and 8 have similar rhythms too. We have one dotted note of 1.5 counts to look out for. Notice how the left hand plays 3 quavers along with it. You may have noticed something else. There are only 2 quavers or 1 crotchet in the first bar and 2 crotchets in the last bar, so we'll come in on the third beat of 3 and end on the second beat. Let's play the right hand rhythm on the note F. Great! Let's look for patterns in the left-hand rhythm. We have 3 bars of 6 quavers, and we play this 2 + 1 count bar a few times, though this time it follows a tie. Let's play the left-hand rhythm on the note F. Great, let's look at the notes. First we'll notice the key signature for F major, B flat. Have a look through the right hand music for all the Bs. And notice any other accidentals in the right hand. And let's notice the range of the notes, the lowest note to the highest note. Have a look through the right hand music for any patterns in the notes. A repeating C on the first line. We have a couple of scales moving down by step. And in bar 6 we have this little moment where we step down 3 times. Okay, let's play through the right hand slowly. Alright, let's have a look through the left-hand music for all the Bs. And let's notice the range of the notes, the lowest note to the highest note. Have a look through the left-hand music for any patterns in the notes. We have an F major chord pattern in line 1. Then we keep the C going but change the other notes. This C stays the same, and this C stays the same. And we'll look out for these octaves. Okay, let's play through the left hand slowly. Coordination time. Let's notice where the hands are playing at the same time and where the extra notes are in each hand. Let's play through only the together notes. Okay, final step. Let's run through the music with all the notes included. And there we are. Once you're feeling comfortable at this speed, you might like to try the music a little faster. I'll see you next week for some more sight reading in C major, and look out for our new song tutorial, To a Wild Rose, coming very soon. To hear about these videos and more, please feel free to subscribe below. Thank you so much for joining me and have a lovely day.